Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add a navigation menu to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Content. Underneath it, click on Menus. On this page, look at the top right corner and click the Create Menu button. Inside, click the title box and give your new menu a clear name. Now, look down and click on Add Menu Item. In the label field, type the text you want your customers to see, like Contact Us. Right beside that, click inside the link field. You can paste an external link or click through the options to link directly to your existing collections, products, pages, or blogs. Repeat this process for any other items or pages you want to include in this menu. When you are finished adding all your links, click Save. Now that your menu is created, we need to make it visible on your website. Click on Online Store, click the Edit button next to your active theme to open up the theme editor. In the left sidebar panel of the editor, choose your desired location for the menu. In my case, I will insert it in my footer area. Click on Ad Block directly under the footer header and select Menu from the options. Under the menu setting, click Replace. Select the menu you just created from the list. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to create a navigation menu on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.